Review: one-step and two-step equations. One-step equations. Hints. To solve equations, you must work backwards through the order of operations to find the value of the variable. Remember to use inverse operations in order to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. And whatever you do to one side of an equation, you must do to the other side. Solve the following equations. Y plus 9 equals 16. Well, we want to get rid of this plus 9. The inverse of adding 9 is subtracting 9. So subtract 9 from both sides. This cancels out on the left side. 16 minus 9 is 7. Therefore, y equals 7. Here, 6m equals 72. We want to get m by itself. Right now, it's being multiplied by 6. The inverse of multiplying by 6 is dividing by 6. So divide both sides by 6. The 6's cancel out on the left side. 72 divided by 6 is 12. Therefore, m equals 12. Try these. Solve each equation. X minus 8 equals negative 2. Well, we want x by itself. So to undo minus 8, we have to add 8, which we have to do to both sides. It'll cancel out on the left side. Negative 2 plus 8 is 6. Therefore, the answer is x equals 6. X divided by negative 6 equals 36. All right, so x is currently being divided by negative 6, so we need to multiply each side by negative 6 so that it will cancel out on the left side. 36 times negative 6 gives us negative 216, and that is our answer. Sometimes it takes more than one step to solve an equation. Remember that to solve equations, you must work backwards through the order of operations to find the value of the variable. This means that you undo in the opposite order of PEMDAS. First, you're going to undo addition and subtraction, then multiplication and division, then exponents, and finally parentheses. Grouping symbols could be said in the fourth step instead of parentheses, making GEMDAS in some cases. Here is the order of operations for solving equations. Subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, exponents, grouping symbols. So the reverse operations is sad Meg, like Megan, and she's sad. Here's an example of a two-step equation. So we have 4x plus 2 equals 10. So we do PEMDAS in reverse, which means first we deal with the plus 2. To undo the addition, we subtract. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides, canceling out the 2's, leaving us with 4x on the left. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then we have to undo the multiplication, x times 4. So we need to divide by 4, so the 4's cancel. If you divide the right side by 4, you get x equals 2. Remember, whatever you do to one side of an equation, you must do to the other. Solve the equations. 5b plus 3 equals 18. First, we undo the addition with subtraction. Subtract 3 from both sides. The 3's cancel, giving us 5b equals 15. Then we undo the multiplication with division. Divide both sides by 5. The 5's cancel on the left, leaving us with b equals 3. W divided by 2 plus 6 equals 10. First, we undo the addition with subtraction. Subtract 6 from both sides. The 6's cancel, and we get 10 minus 6 is 4 on the right, w over 2 on the left. Then we undo the division with multiplication. Multiply both sides by 2. The 2's cancel on the left, leaving us with 4 times 2, which is 8, on the right. 3j minus 4 equals 14. First, we're going to undo the subtraction with addition. Add 4 to both sides. The 4's cancel on the left. 14 plus 4 is 18. Now we have 3j equals 18. We're going to undo the multiplication with division. Divide both sides by 3. They cancel on the left, giving us 18 over 3 on the right, which is 6.